Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start by preparing the device and app. Make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi and you're signed into the Ring app, two-factor ready. Once done, tap the Ring Doorbell tile on the dashboard to open device settings. You need direct access to that device screen to change audio settings and avoid unnecessary navigation. This gets you straight to the controls so you can adjust volume without restarting or digging through unrelated menus. Now you'll locate and modify the audio controls. Tap Settings, then Device Settings and General Settings to find audio or volume options. Models vary, so look for either audio tone or volume. Once visible, drag the slider to raise or lower the chime and speaker levels. Make sure to test using Live View or a doorbell press so you hear the change. If the model has separate chime and notification volumes, adjust each to balance clarity and neighbor considerations. Finish by saving and confirming the change. Tap Save or back out until the app registers the new level, then physically press the doorbell and confirm you hear it on your phone and any chimes. If the volume still seems wrong, reboot the Ring device from settings and check for firmware updates. Outdated firmware can lock settings. If problems continue, remove and re-add the device in the app or contact Ring support as a last resort to avoid unnecessary hardware replacement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.